eyes in the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through for you, 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 won't you let the light shine through?
Cole, keep going right. Keep going this way. Oh yeah, we're in the trees. Where's Cole? Oh no. Sorry. Oh, this is so sick. Oh shit. Yeah, probably shouldn't have to go there. Where the fuck did he go? Oh no. This is sick, man. Oh wow, that's not good. Yeah, there's like no powder. Absolutely zero. Hell yeah. Look, there's a climbing wall. And like a little jungle gym thingy.
I haven't rode this chair before.
Really? Huh.
Are we? 30 seconds of terror or cardio?
Yeah.
Stay as far right as possible. Cut around the black things there. Yeah. Go around. Cross that way. Move all the way down. It's a roll. You can see it. It's got a good pitch on it. And then again, this chair, that's where you can see.
Okay.
Thank you.
Alright, following you.
Appreciate it.
Hopefully you know where we're going.
I think I got a good idea.
I do, yeah. Thanks, man. I appreciate your help.
Hey, you have a good-
You as well.
No, I got my buddy in the shack.
Oh, okay. Welcome to another snowy range. That's steep. I don't know how much justice is done. There's freaking snowboard boots. What the fuck?
Boots in the tree?
There's actual boots in the tree. Dude, this is rideable. Look, there's people riding through that shit.
Yeah, looks like they're just walking down on their skis. Because you pretty much have to straight line that out.
Holy fuck. Yeah, this is nuts.
Yeah, I told you that.
Yeah, this is steep. Like, insanely steep. I mean, you can see the freaking tree and the hill is like going up with it, dude.
And this isn't the steepest road in northern Colorado.
Yeah, this is nuts.
Instead of 8 basin, fucking right.
Dude, look at the pole. The pole is so angled. Yeah, this is not right. Yeah, I'm good, bro. I'm 1000% good on this
I don't
shit.
think I ever want to ride something like this.
This
Even when I know I could.
this wouldn't even be fun.
Like, even if you fall, dude, you're just fucked if you fall.
Dude, I don't know if people can tell, but I'm looking up. Like, the bar is here. I'm looking like almost at the bar. This is crazy steep. Wow, look at that view. What a crazy view, dude. No, yeah, this is crazy. This is way too steep. Little burn. Banana. Hey, go right. There's a person on my ass. So slow. Holy fuck. Oh, you fucking dick. Jeez. Wanna go down? Let's go down, fuck it. We'll go down, hit that. How about the chair that's coming up here?
Oh, we have to go all the way down.
Hold on, let's stop really quick and figure this out before we get stuck somewhere.
Yeah, I've been down here last weekend.
We can go down that? All right. No. Go. You're in the trees. You know it. There we go. Battery died. Yeah, not good snow. Groovers! Woo! Oh my God! Icy! was sick. Beep, beep. Oh yeah, cooked you. You lost. Hell yeah, brother. Hey, you lost that. I won. Haha, you're stuck. Have a good day. Yo, what the fuck?
This isn't even the highest part.
Oh my, dude, that was crazy. What is that? That was nuts. Oh my god. Yeah, I don't like this. We're above trees.
Signs for PK2.
Dude, look at that view. God damn.
I didn't realize I wrote down I put the black. That's why there's so many boulders.
Dude, why is Breck so pretty? This is fucking pissing me off. This is the sick.
Dude, that's P10 over there.
Which one?
Oh, no, that's P9.
That be?
That's each area right there.
Oh yeah, that's, yeah, okay. Okay, I know where we are. That's dope. This is sick. A lot of trees,
if you
dude.
Ride that black.
Let's go.
We're gonna jump right off. That's the black is right down here to our left.
Alright, let's go. Black diamond. Loading up. I'm off. I'm out. Oh shit, there's rocks. Brakes. Dropping in. Oh, I know where we are. Wait for me, Cole. Down a double black diamond. Oh, fuck me. Choppy as fuck. Not terrible. See? Why the fuck is it?
my god, he was really huge.
Who? Oh my.
That guy.
Hey, he's laying there. That one hurt. What did you? He got toe side, huh? Like the nose of the board?
He got his toes, he got stuck in his toes, and then he got his heels. Yeah, you gotta ride through.
Double blast?
You gotta get to it.
Hey, don't be popping my right foot off,
I'm trying
man.
to stay behind you.
Oh, damn, I missed it again. Fuck.
Thanks. That thing was tight.
Oh, shit. I don't give a shit.
Try to find it.
Let's cross over to the tree. Trust me. Alright. That's fucking dope. The guy has the best eyesight of all people. I see Pal. Yeah. Oh my god. Fucking tree. Oh yeah. Fuck, into moguls. Whoa! Fucking rock! Try and find something we can try and cross through. Oh, that's thick. Never mind. Oh, yes. That's what we need. I think we're good now. Oh, that guy is going backwards.
Oh my god, he's hauling ass.
Alright guys, we're gonna wrap up Breck. Probably about, I don't know, 215, 220, somewhere around there. But today was absolutely awesome. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Go check out Colin's channel, Colin Lampers. Absolute shutter day. Later guys.